Hey guys, how are you? My name is Roy from the channel My Point of View, and I just want to upload a new video to show you a new fix that I just found to the Roborock S7, and I believe it will help as well to other models of the Roborock. And if you know what I'm talking about, it's an annoying error. It's called error 10 when it says that you have to replace your filter because it's wet or blocked. And you know that you tried to clean it, you let it dry for 24 hours and maybe replaced your filter and it still gets you the same error. So I just found a fix for it and it works. Before that, I want to ask you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, with your communities that you're into, so other people will see this solution and maybe it will help them as well. So thanks for sharing this video, thanks for liking my videos, subscribe to my channel, and let's see the solution. So what I suggest you to do is open the cover and take out the filter.
Dustbin removed.
And if you see in the left side of your device, you'll see this space here, and inside of it you'll see, if you go really close, you'll see dust that's stuck in it. I'll show you just a sec. Sorry for that video flip, but if you see, this space is full with dust and hairs and whatever. So just take I don't know, pencil something and just take it out. Look at that. And this is the problem. And now it's clean, and I hope it will fix the problem of getting this annoying error of please clean and dry your filter. Well, this is the solution, this is the fix. I hope it helped you. Please comment below if it did, so I want to know. And if you got other solutions, please write it down as well so other people will see it. I really hope it helped you, and I really hope to see you in the next video. See ya.